If you're looking for some new carry-on luggage that's built to last and will fit all your needs, Bellroy has just introduced some amazing new ones with everything you've come to expect from Bellroy as a brand and all the things you want in luggage like rugged materials, features, packability, weatherproofing, and more. Let's not waste any more time and let's jump right into the brand new Bellroy carry-on lights and plus. So we have two sizes to choose from, both TSA and carry-on approved for flights. The Plus is a 46 liter or 3.2 kilogram luggage, and the Light is 41 liters or 3.1 kilograms. And honestly, that's going to be the only difference you're going to see. Otherwise, both of these luggages will share all the features and build qualities of one another. The polycarbonate shell is really well made. Now, I'm not sure if anybody is familiar with Monos, but unlike Monos, I feel theirs is very poor quality, very prone to deep scratches and grooves, which I don't feel this one's going to have as much problems with. And even the zipper on my Monos completely ripped off after 4 uses. So I'm hoping this one holds up better, but it definitely feels like it's a much better quality. A really great padded flex handle on both the top and the side of the luggage that pops up and down upon release, and also a water and abrasion resistant zipper, which is really nice to see, keeps everything nice and dry on those very wet days. Once again, a really high-end and nicely equipped telescopic metal handle with an embossed Bellroy logo atop, as you can see, a TSA approved number lock to keep your stuff safe during travel. Some of the nicest wheels I've ever seen on a luggage made by Hinamoto. They have nice 360-degree movements and they are completely silent. As you can see on here, they're rubber at the bottom, really high end. And yeah, just take a listen to how it sounds when at least you have a smooth surface to travel on. So all in all, you're getting some fairly well put together luggage. And it does come with a pretty fair warranty, not perfect of course. Of course, we'd wish for like that 360 top to bottom warranty on everything. But to cover the key components for 10 years, it does give you that added safety for if anything should fail. And again, 10 years is nothing to bat your eyes at. It's a pretty long time frame to cover your product. And the price point, $329 for the Plus, $269 USD for the regular. It really kind of places itself amongst like those Monos, Level 8s, Samsonite for carry-on luggage, that mid to like maybe high mid, I don't even say high mid, let's just say mid-level carry-on luggage. With the functionality, the materials, the packability, I really think the Bellroy kind of arguably places itself near the top of that mid-range list for that price point. And speaking of packability, let's break these open and see the compartments and how much these carry-on luggage can carry. So we have dual zippers that open up the main compartment, and I gotta say the zippers on this are really great, super smooth, really high end. On the left-hand side, you have this mesh compartment, some nice Bellroy branding at the top, and let's just jump right into this little center compartment. It opens, again, a single zipper from that one side to place items like your laptop and other quick access items. And dual zippers on that left-hand side, opening up from either end, revealing a really amazing space. And again, on both the Plus and the regular variant is set up in the exact same way. And also a little secret spot to keep your Apple AirTag so that if anything does happen, nobody will even know it's there and you will be able to keep track of this bad boy. On the right-hand side, we have these removable packable cube dividers. These are spots where you can put whatever other quick access items you need, and also attached, as you can see here, these little loophole systems that keep them both attached to each other, and you can remove one or both, or they can both stay in there and act as a divider and an extra storage compartment. And as I said, you could totally remove these out of the luggage and they could be your DOP and tech kit, or you could put them back in and they can still be those things and also be a divider. And just so you can have an idea of the other open space, if you do want to remove them, tons and tons of packability. So why not open this up and let's see what the Light can pack into it. I'll have a list at the end with the items, and again, everybody carries in their own way, but this is just to give you a little idea of what you're working with the Light. So let's do the same for the Plus, and let's see where we come out at the end and how many more items we could fit into it. So definitely can hold some more items in total. As you can see at the bottom, 31 is more than the last one, but it's gonna be varying to who is packing this out. Probably gonna be able to fit, an extra pair of pants and an extra thick sweater kind of deal. The extra items were more so the smaller items in those slots and cubes. So there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. Now for me, what is my opinion between the two? I think it's fairly close, honestly. Me personally, I would probably go with the smaller size. I don't feel the bump up to the Plus offers that much more space on the interior. Obviously there is, but for that price point difference, I would prefer to like save the money and maybe pack one less tech kit and one less sweater and save myself, almost $100 or more, depending on where you live and the currency you use. But at the end of the day, I really think this is an amazing offering from Bellroy. I am a huge fan of their products, as you can tell by my videos, wallets and slings and bags, and I'm really happy to see them entering the luggage game. And this first offering, I think, is a really awesome step forward. And I honestly can't wait to see what they bring out next, because I will definitely be using these as my daily travel luggage going forward. As always, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you did find this helpful. Be safe and well out there. Take it easy. And until the next one.